In this video,
we will learn how to turn on or off advanced options on Fortnite. So the advanced settings of Fortnite is for the controller sensitivity options. In order to turn it on, all you need to do is head to your profile section from the top right hand side of your screen. From here, click on the gear button. After clicking on the gear button, you need to head to the controller tab. After that, you will need to scroll down until you find the sensitivity option of your controller. Then in here you'll see use advanced options. You can turn it on. In the advanced options of your controller sensitivity, you can change every sensitivity aspect of your controller by changing their representative settings. So horizontal and vertical look can be changed through here. The boost can be changed from here. The horizontal look speed and vertical look speed can be changed through here. ADS boosting can be changed through here, and all other settings that are essential for your controller sensitivity. So this is how you can easily turn on or off advanced settings of your controller sensitivity in Fortnite and enjoy the game. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.